Well, now it seems like everybody's over here getting something to eat. Isn't that nice? Now watch. Try and fly away. Yep, some of them kind of dead. See? Look at them all eat. Oh my goodness. They must be very hungry. Look, they're all eating it all up. There they go. And there's a squirrely. Aww. Get a good look at the birdies. Here they come again. No, there's a cardinal. Female cardinal. Such sweet animals. There's another squirrel over here. Going up the tree. Such a sweet baby. Oh, it's a cardinal. Look at there. All very hungry. I might have to put more food out by the end of the day or something, before the end of the day. I don't know. There he goes. He's going back because he heard the noise outside. All right.